Forest fires often look like disasters, vast green landscapes reduced to black ash and smoke. The sight can be shocking, even heartbreaking, as towering trees are swallowed by flames and the air fills with the acrid scent of burning wood. For many, the immediate aftermath feels like a scene of total loss, a place where life has been erased in a matter of hours or days. The aftermath is silent, still, and seemingly lifeless. The once vibrant forest floor is now a carpet of ash, and the only sounds are the faint crackle of cooling embers or the distant call of a bird returning to survey the damage. It's easy to imagine that nothing could survive here, but fire is not always an ending. For millions of years, it's been a natural part of many ecosystems. In fact, fire has shaped the very landscapes we see today, influencing which plants and animals thrive and which do not. It is a force as old as the forests themselves, woven into the cycles of life and death. Lightning strikes, a fire begins, and sweeps through, clearing out old, dead wood. These natural fires, sparked by storms, have been happening since long before humans walked the earth. They clear away the clutter, making room for new life to take hold. This destruction is nature's way of housekeeping, making space for sunlight and new growth. With the dense canopy thinned, sunlight can finally reach the forest floor, awakening seeds that have lain dormant for years, sometimes decades, waiting for just this moment. Forests across the globe, from North America to Australia, have evolved to depend on fire for renewal. Some trees, like the lodgepole pine or the Australian banksia, even need fire to release their seeds. Without fire, these forests would become choked with old growth, unable to regenerate. Not all fires are the same. Some, made worse by human activity, are unnaturally destructive. When fires burn hotter and longer than nature intended, fueled by drought, climate change, or decades of fire suppression, they can devastate entire ecosystems and threaten human communities. But natural, recurring fires act as a reset button, preventing any one species from taking over. These smaller, more frequent fires create a patchwork of habitats, supporting a greater diversity of plants and animals. They help maintain balance, ensuring that no single plant dominates the landscape. By clearing out the old, fire makes way for the new, fueling a cycle of destruction and creation. In the blackened soil, nutrients are released, and the first green shoots appear, evidence that life is already returning. A burned landscape is not just a place of loss, but a canvas for new life. Each charred log and patch of ash is a foundation for the next generation of plants, insects, and animals. The soil, enriched by ash, holds the promise of future growth. Minerals and nutrients, once locked away in old wood, are now available to nourish the next wave of life. The silence will not last forever. Soon, insects will return, followed by birds and small mammals, each playing their part in the forest's recovery. This is not the end of the story for the forest. With each sunrise, the landscape changes, and the first signs of renewal become visible. In many ways, it's the beginning of a new chapter, one that shows nature's resilience. The forest is not defeated, it is transformed, ready to begin again. Fire is a force of renewal, not just destruction. It is a creative power, shaping the land and the life that depends on it. The natural world is built to heal and begin again. Every fire is followed by a period of regrowth, a testament to the enduring strength of nature. And in the story of the forest, fire is a vital creative character, one that ensures the cycle of life continues, generation after generation. After a fire, the forest seems silent, its floor blanketed in ash and the air heavy with the scent of smoke. But beneath this quiet surface, something remarkable is happening. A secret lies in the ash, seeds waiting for their moment. These seeds, hidden and patient, have been biding their time, sometimes for years, for just this opportunity. For some plants, fire is not an end, but a beginning. The heat and smoke are signals, telling them it's finally time to grow. In the blackened soil, the first green shoots begin to appear, a testament to nature's resilience. These fire followers have seeds that can lie dormant for years, protected by tough coats that shield them from the elements and hungry animals. They wait, locked away, until the right conditions arrive. Only the intense heat of fire can crack them open. The flames act as a key, breaking the hard shells and allowing life to burst forth. Without fire, these seeds might never sprout at all. In North America, jack pine and lodgepole pine cones are sealed with resin that only fire can melt, releasing seeds onto nutrient-rich ground. These trees have evolved to depend on fire, ensuring their seeds have the best chance to thrive in the open sunlight. In South Africa and Australia, many plants rely on fire or smoke to trigger germination. Entire landscapes are shaped by this relationship, with wildflowers and shrubs blooming in the wake of flames. Some seeds need heat to break their coats. Others respond to chemicals and smoke. These cues tell the seeds that the competition has been cleared away, and nutrients are abundant. Fire clears the canopy, returns nutrients to the soil, and awakens seeds that have waited for years. Sunlight pours onto the forest floor, giving new life a chance to flourish. What looks like destruction is actually the key to new life. The blackened landscape is soon dotted with green, as plants seize their moment to grow. The forest uses fire to ensure its future, cycling through destruction and renewal. Each fire paves the way for a new generation of plants and trees. Life finds a way, even in the ashes. In the aftermath of fire, the forest is reborn, proving that even in apparent devastation, hope and renewal are always waiting just beneath the surface. After a fire, the landscape seems lifeless, stripped of color and sound. The air is heavy with the scent of ash, and the ground is blanketed in black. But look closer. Nature is never truly still. Tiny green shoots push through the blackened soil, pioneer species like fireweed, the first to return after devastation. These small plants are nature's way of saying the story isn't over. These fast-growing plants thrive in post-fire conditions, stabilizing soil and bringing color back to the landscape. Their roots hold the earth together, preventing erosion and creating a foundation for new life. Some trees, like aspens and oaks, send up new shoots from roots protected deep underground. Even when their trunks are scorched, their roots survive, ready to sprout again when the time is right. The forest regenerates from within, using stored energy to begin again. This hidden resilience is what allows forests to recover, year after year, from even the most intense fires. Pioneer plants create shade and moisture, paving the way for slower-growing species. Their presence cools the soil and helps retain water, making it possible for a greater diversity of plants to return. Each new sprout is a victory, a sign that healing has begun. Every leaf and stem is a testament to the forest's determination to recover, no matter how great the loss. The process is slow, sometimes taking years or even decades. But life returns. With patience, the blackened earth transforms, little by little, into a thriving ecosystem once more. The forest rebuilds itself, one green shoot at a time. Each patch of new growth is a promise that the cycle of renewal continues, even after the harshest trials. Renewal is underway, even when it seems impossible. Life finds a way, adapting and flourishing in the most unexpected places, reminding us of nature's incredible strength. Hope is written in every leaf, every blade of grass, and every new branch reaching for the sun. The forest's recovery is a powerful reminder that from destruction, beauty, and life can always emerge. As plants return, animals follow. Insects arrive first, drawn to new flowers and leaves. Beetles lay eggs in fire-damaged trees, becoming food for birds like the black-backed woodpecker. Birds and small mammals return, finding food and shelter among the new growth. Herbivores like deer and elk are drawn to the tender shoots. Their grazing shapes the regenerating forest. Predators follow, drawn by the abundance of prey. The ecosystem rebuilds, each creature playing a role. The silence of ash is replaced by the sounds of life. The forest becomes a community again. Recovery is a team effort, from beetle to bear. A recovering forest does more than heal itself. It helps the planet. New trees and plants absorb carbon dioxide, locking it away and releasing oxygen. Young forests are especially good at this, acting as green lungs for Earth. Roots hold soil in place, preventing erosion and keeping water clean. Leaf litter absorbs rain, recharging groundwater. The regrowing forest becomes a haven for biodiversity, food, water, and shelter for countless species. Dead trees provide homes for birds and mammals. Each stage of recovery strengthens the ecosystem. By healing, the forest helps stabilize our climate and support life. Its recovery is a gift to the whole planet. In 1988, massive fires swept through Yellowstone National Park, burning a third of its land. Many feared the park was lost, but fire is part of Yellowstone's natural cycle. Scientists let the fires burn where safe, turning turning the event into a lesson in ecology. Lodgepole pines release seeds from fire-activated cones, carpeting the ground with seedlings. Wildflowers burst into color, attracting insects and birds. Within years, young forests and new habitats flourished. Elk and bison thrived on the new growth. Yellowstone's recovery showed fire is not an end, but a force of renewal. The park became a mosaic of habitats, richer in diversity. Fire transformed our understanding of wilderness resilience. In Australia, fire is central to the bush's life. Eucalyptus trees are built for fire, their oily leaves and shedding bark fuel flames. After fire, many eucalypts resprout from hidden buds beneath thick bark. Others regrow from lignotubers, woody swellings packed with dormant buds and nutrients. Even after intense fires, new shoots emerge from blackened trunks or the ground. Fire clears undergrowth and triggers mass germination of seeds. Kangaroos and wallabies feed on the fresh shoots. The Australian bush is in constant flux, shaped by fire and regrowth. Life here doesn't just survive fire, it thrives because of it. The cycle of burning and renewal is ancient and essential. Nature heals, but we have a role to play, especially as human actions worsen fires. Giving forests space and time is crucial. Avoid intervening too quickly. Prevent invasive species by cleaning boots and equipment before entering burned areas. Support local groups removing invasives to help native plants recover. In severely damaged areas, reforestation with native species may be needed. Volunteer for tree planting or support science-based restoration. Support prescribed burns, controlled fires that reduce fuel and prevent bigger disasters. Reduce your carbon footprint to help forests face climate change. Wise stewardship helps forests not just recover, but thrive. Our choices shape the future of these vital ecosystems. The aftermath of fire feels like an ending, but it's really a beginning. Within the blackened landscape lies the promise of renewal. Forests have evolved to turn destruction into opportunity. Seeds that need fire, roots that wait underground. Ash becomes fertilizer, open canopies let in sunlight, and new life emerges. Recovery starts with tiny shoots, then insects and birds, then larger animals. Growing trees clean the air and stabilize the climate. The forest's recovery is a gift to us all. Look past the black, search for the green. Every new sprout is a declaration of survival. Fire is not a graveyard, but a nursery. Out of endings, new beginnings are born, nature's promise to endure.